Welcome to Agial Language School. Today we are going to explain factorizing the sum and the difference of two cubes. How to factorize the sum and the difference of two cubes. If we have an expression of two terms, the first term is perfect cube and the second term is perfect cube, and between them positive or negative sign. How to factorize it? For example, x to the power 3 plus 8. This expression is called sum of two cubes. Why? The first term is a perfect cube, the second term is a perfect cube, and here is positive sign. So it's a sum of two cubes. How to factorize it? Open two brackets like this, one small and one big. The cubic root of the first term is what? Is x, right? And the cubic root of the second term is what? Is 2, right? And the sign between them will be like the sign here. So it's positive. And now how to get the expression inside the big bracket? Multiply the first term here by itself. X multiplied by x equals x squared. Positive 2 multiplied by positive 2 equals positive 4, and write it as a third term. And multiply the first term by the second term. 2 by x equal 2x. And put it by opposite sign. The sign here is positive, so here will be negative. Another example. x to the power 3 plus 27. This is sum of two cubes. To factorize it, open two brackets, one small and other is big. The cubic root of 64x to the power 3 is, yes, 4x, and the cubic root of 27 is 3, and sign here like the sign here, so it's positive. Now to get this, multiply the first term by itself. 4x by 4x, 16x to the power 2. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9, positive 9. Multiply the first by the second. 4x multiply 3, 12x. So it will be negative 12x. Another example. L to the power 3 minus 1 over 125. This is difference between two cubes. So bracket and another bracket. The cubic root of L to the power 3 is L. So L here. The cubic root of 1 over 125 is 1 over 5. And the sign like this. This is negative and here negative. To find this, multiply the first term by itself. L multiplied by L square. Negative 1 over 5 multiply negative 1 over 5, positive 1 over 25. Multiply the first by the second. L multiply negative 1 over 5, it's negative 1 over 5L, so it will be positive 1 over 5L. Another example. X to the power 3 plus 16. First, here is highest common factor, so take it out. The highest common factor is 2. 2x to the power 3 divided by 2 equals x to the power 3. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. This expression is called sum of two cubes, so you should to factorize it. Bracket and another bracket. The cubic root of x to the power 3 equals x, and the cubic root of 8 is 2, and the sign between them is positive, like it. And now x multiplied by x, x to the power 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 2 multiplied by x equals 2x, so it will be negative 2x. Another example. L to the power 4 plus 64L. Take the highest common factor out. The highest common factor is L. L to the power 4 divided by L equals L to the power 3. 64L divided by L equals 64. Now, here is L, small bracket and big bracket. L to the power 3, the cubic root of L to the power 3 is L. The cubic root of 64 is 4, and the sign is positive. L multiplied by L equals L squared. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16, and L multiplied by 4 equals 4L, so it will be negative 4, yes, L. Another example. 1 over 3 x to the power 3 minus 9. The highest common factor here is third. 1 over 3, 1/3. So put 1 over 3 out of two brackets, divide each term by 1 over 3, it will be x to the power 3, and 9 divided by 1 over 3 equals 27. Equals 1 over 3. This is difference between two cubes. So the square is the cubic root of x to the power 3 is x, and the cubic root of 27 is 3, and the sign is negative. X multiplied by x equals x squared. 3 multiplied by 3 equals 9. X multiplied by negative 3x, so it will be positive 3x. The sign of the middle opposite to the sign here. This is negative, this will be positive. If it's positive, it will be negative. Another example. A plus B to the power 3 minus B to the power 3. This is difference between two cubes. This is perfect cube and this is perfect cube. So small bracket like this and big like this. The cubic root of a plus b all to the power 3 is a plus b. The cubic root of b to the power 3 is b, and sign between them negative. The first by itself, a plus b, multiply a plus b, a plus b to the power 2. b multiplied by b equals b to the power 2. The first multiply the second, it will be positive b multiply a plus b, and let's simplify this. Here will be, yes, a, and here a multiplied by a to the power 2, b multiplied by b equals b to the power 2, a multiply b multiply 2 equals 2ab, b by a equals ab, b by b equals b squared, and here is b squared. So it will be what? Equals a a to the power 2, 3 b to the power 2 plus 3 ab. We have finished our lesson for today. Have a nice day and goodbye.